I'm not rich, but I live like a millionaire. You know I live like a millionaire. You know I live like I ain't got a care in the world. But I do, I care.
And this is going to be a small haul I'm going to take to the scrapyard. A little bit of scrap steel, bags of bottles and cans and milk cartons. Over here the cans are worth $1.90 or 80 a pound. Bottles, plastic bottles are $1.80, and milk cartons I think $1.10 a pound. But I'll show you guys when we get to the scrapyard how much I get. This will be my small haul.
Amigo, ¿tú trabajas aquí?
Sí, aquí trabajo.
¿Cómo jala la cosa?
¿Traes mucho aluminio?
Poquito.
Allá.
Es aluminio, boté,
Póngase.
plástico y luego metal.
Allá, póngase para el bote, para descargarlo aquí primero.
¿Dónde?
Aquí lo descarga el bote.
¿Aquí mismo? Ok. Unload el bote y el plástico?
Sí, el
Ok,
bote.
unload the plastic and aluminum. Pick that up.
So this is after my cans, bottle, and a dryer drum full of scrap metal. For my plastic and for my cans and plastic, I got total of $35.85, which is good. For the little pile of scrap metal, I had maybe I think it said 134 pounds, $2.99. That's pretty good. And this is a new place that we went to. We wanted to try it out. P&T Metals Inc. So yeah, we're not gonna go there again. The prices are a little low. This place that we go to, this is our usual place we take the bottles and cans, and they give $1.80 for cans, and I think for the plastic they give $1.50 or 60. So I'm not going to take my cans bottles here again because their prices are low and their metal is low too. There's another place where we go to for metal, and they give $100 for every ton. So this one is $50 every ton. So just double that. I would have made $6 at the other place. So we're not gonna go here anymore. We just wanted to try it out because we never went there, and they're more of a small little company. But yeah, we won't go there anymore. Now this place I always go for my cans and bottles, if you see, and my milk cartons. Now the milk cartons kind of disappointed me. If you see, yeah, HDPE scrap, which is I guess the name of these milk cartons. My total weight was 8 pounds, and I never seen that price before. 1 cent a pound, and I only made 8 cents. So I will no longer be scrapping, collecting these, smashing them. Yeah, I will no longer be doing that. I'm just gonna collect cans and bottles again, because $35 is pretty good. But if I went here, I would have got a little bit more, because they let's see, what is it? It's I think it was here's $1.60 a pound for aluminum cans. Here is $1.80. So yeah, I won't be going here anymore. So yeah, put that to the side. I'll be going here, but I was just a little disappointed because of all the time I spent collecting the milk cartons. I had if the scrappers know, you guys should know. You get those you buy those the box of heavy duty black trash bags from Home Depot. I filled up 2 of these for the milk cartons, and I had no idea the price was 1 cent a pound. So I didn't even redeem it. I'm just gonna hold on to this, so when I do get my hoard of cans and bottles, I'll just take it with this. But yeah. So altogether, I made, let's see, I made $38 on my stockpile of cans and bottles, milk cartons, and a little pile of scrap metal. So I made $38. All the scrappers know money is money, and that is good. I'll see you guys next time.